How to change your username in Rednote. First things first is go ahead to your Google Play Store or wherever you have downloaded the app. Now look for Rednote and make sure that you have downloaded and installed it. But if you do have this existing app on your phone, you're just gonna make sure that you're currently running the latest version. Now just head over directly and open the app, and then in here, you're just gonna make sure that you are fully logged into your account. Once you've logged in, at the lower right portion of your screen, you should be able to see Me. So just simply tap on the Me tab, and then in here, just head directly to Edit Profile. So there are tons of options right here. Username is actually your Rednote ID. So to change it, just simply tap on the second option that says Rednote ID, and then in here, just simply input any username you would like to be changed. And please take note that you can only change your username once every 7 days. Now once you've changed it, just simply hit on confirm and you're good to go. So that's basically it. That's how you change your username in Rednote.